Hello guys, again this is Swapnil Patel from Electrical One YouTube channel. Before move, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and those who are subscriber, please do not forget to press bell icon. You can get latest video update. So for come up to this window, please watch my first video, okay, on OmRoN PLC. Now in my second video, just we will do same programming on OmRoN PLC, but just difference is just in this video we will use timer and counters, okay. So just start programming. Just use input one NO switch, give address to it 0.00, enter 00, okay. So this is our switch 1, okay. So here just if you want to use timer, so just you can take this symbol, okay, use like. So for timer there is no addressing. For timer use syntax, okay. So just use syntax TIM, that means timer, space address. For timer and counter use address like 000, okay. If you use timer second, or so for that use 001, like that you can use address, okay. So space, same for counter addressing, okay. I will give you after the end of video, okay. So just here I use #50, that means it's showing 50 millisecond, that means your timer will on up to 5 seconds, okay. Got it? So just okay. After second time you have to put T0, means timer 0, okay. After you will means if you will give second timer, so you can use T1, that means timer 1, okay. So just okay. Look, this is our address, this is up to second this will run, okay. So just but here is not output, okay. So if you want to add output, so you add output like, okay. Use this same address for output. I already told you in my first video, 100.00, 100.00, okay. Enter and use NO of timer, means when you will on, this will become NC, timer will on, and if time will over, that NO will become NC, light 1 will on, okay. So just use same address T000 of timer, okay. Means if you will, when you will just take address of same, only when that will become a NO to NC, okay. Use T0 will come automatically, okay. So just okay, means this is the NC, sorry, NO of timer, okay. So just if you want to run the programming, go online, simulation, work on simulator. This is downloading our program. So just when you will give input 1 as a 1 pulse like or beat, so just timer will on. Look at that, time is running, and when time will over, that NO will become NC and light 1 will on, okay. So just I hope you will understand. So go offline. So now this is for timer, so just look for counter, okay. Same, just I'm going to use address for second switch 0.01, okay. Enter 0.01. This is our second switch, okay. Range is still incomplete. Our second range is still incomplete, that's why this red line is showing, okay. So just for counter use same symbol, use address for counter. So you can use address for counter CNT, okay, space address, same address here 0. Sorry, you can give 000. Here is timer and counter, both are different, that's why we are giving same address. If you take a two timer, so if you use 000 here, so you have to use 001 here, but we are taking different. Here is timer, here is counter, okay. So CNT 00, and up to 4 counts, up to 4 counts I have to on my counter. After 4 counts I have to on my input output. Okay, so here C0 means counter 0, same as timer. Okay, so look, here is our address. Up to 4 count this will on, and after 4 it will off. Okay, so here is extra this come out, so this is for reset the timer. Okay, so just because if you'll give input to timer, this will count the time and output will on, but after second time if you want to give input, the timer will already at 0, so it have to reset to us. Okay, so use of second switch, so give address to it 0.02 because is for reset switch is different switch. Okay, 0.02. Okay, so just I would like to give name to is right click, edit details, edit switch 2. Okay, sorry, yes, switch 3. Okay, look, this is switch 2, this is switch 3, and take of counter here. So just take same C000. Okay, C0 will come automatically. Okay, means that is a counter address if will to, that is means it's of counter, means when we will give input to counter will count the time, or if time will over or count, that output will on. Okay, so just take for output 100.01, we already use 100.00. Okay, so this is our second light. Okay, so when the time will over, the counter will become NC and light 2 will on. Okay, so just simulation, go online. Okay, so just give input to counter 1 set. So look, this is 3, means counting a time. So again give 0 set. Okay, again give 1, this 3 to 2. Okay, again give 0, again give 1 1. Okay, again give 0 0 is for just we don't want to give input. Okay, so again give input 1. So after 4 counts, that will become NC and output, second output or second light will on. Okay, so just if you want to set, look, here is 0. So if you want to use for second operation, just we should reset the timer. So just for that give 0 to our switch, that means input is off. Okay, so just reset timer, give input to switch 3 1. Okay, so timer will reset. Sorry for that, use 0 to same. Okay, so look, when we will give input to switch 3, that will get reset, and look at that, here is 4 come. Okay, so just I hope you will understand that timer and counter operation, how it works. So now I would like to give you input and output for, I already given I think in my first video. So just I would like to give you syntax of timer and counter. Okay, so here this is the syntax of timer and counter operation. For regular timer operation, this syntax is used. Okay, for counter operation, this syntax is used, and for timer and counter you can take address like 000, 001, 002 up to 255. Okay, so this was my second video, guys. I hope you understand. This is on timer and counter. So thanks for watching.